Canada has one of the most severe winter climates of any country in the world. Canadians across the country may face severe cold weather conditions that can affect their health. However, being active and enjoying winter activities and sports is a great way to stay healthy. The definition of extreme cold varies in different parts of the country due to local climate. Whenever temperatures drop dramatically below normal, staying warm and safe can become really challenging. Generally speaking, your risk of health effects like windburn and frostbite increase at wind chill values below minus 27. The wind can make cold temperatures feel even colder. The wind chill index measures what the temperature feels like on exposed skin based on the speed of the wind. A wind chill can cause your body to lose heat faster and your skin to freeze very quickly. Wind chills below minus 70 have been recorded in some northern Canadian communities. So, while anyone who isn't dressed warmly is at risk in cold weather conditions in Canada, some are at greater risk than others for frostbite and hypothermia. The at risk population includes homeless people, outdoor workers, people living in homes that are poorly insulated. That means the homes that have either no heat or no power. People with certain medical conditions like diabetes, peripheral neuropathy, and diseases affecting the blood vessels. So, a normal body temperature is approximately 37 degrees centigrade. When your core body temperature drops by 1 or 2 degrees centigrade or your body is exposed to severe cold, it increases your risk of harmful effects. Windburn occurs when cold wind removes the top layer of oil from the skin, thus causing redness, excessive dryness, itchiness, and soreness. Although windburn is different than sunburn, people often confuse the two because the symptoms are similar. So now let's talk about frostbite. When the temperature drops below 0 degrees centigrade, blood vessels close to the skin constrict to protect the core body temperature. When your body is exposed to the cold for a long period of time, blood flow to feet, ears, hands, and nose can be severely restricted. The combination of poor circulation and extreme cold can thus lead to frostbite. Frostbite generally occurs in body parts furthest from the heart, including nose, ears, feet, and hands. Mild frostbite makes your skin look yellowish or white, but it is still soft to the touch. Your skin might turn red during the warming process, but normal color returns once the area is warmed. Severe frostbite, on the other hand, can cause permanent damage to body tissue if it is not treated immediately. Nerve damage occurs in frostbite, skin becomes discolored and turns black. After some time, nerve damage becomes so severe that you will lose feeling in the affected area and blisters will occur. If the skin is broken and becomes infected, gangrene can set in, which can result in loss of limbs. So, all in all, having lived in Canada for almost 2 years now, like it's just 3 months to go till I could celebrate my 2 years completion in Canada. I would say winter here is manageable. Yes, if you are out and you have absolutely no means to protect yourself or go anywhere indoors, like you're caught in the middle of a jungle, obviously you are at risk of getting frostbite, thus leading to gangrene and loss of sensation and permanent nerve damage. But generally speaking, for a common person in day-to-day life, winters are pretty manageable because most people just stay either indoors or in car while traveling, and the temperatures are pretty high up to accommodate your body needs, and you feel comfortable and cozy in whatever environment you're in. But generally speaking, you need to take care of yourself, and that includes buying a good winter jacket, wearing winter boots, and holding a cup of coffee as well would help you take warm sips in the extreme cold weather outside and might protect you against getting sore throat and nausea and sinus problems. So all in all, I would say people who fear Canada because of its extremely harsh winter reputation shouldn't be too worried because winters are pretty manageable. So, having looked at the situation of winters in Canada, and by the way, the clips I've shown you in this video have been of 1st of December 2024, the day that Canada has received its first snowfall of 2024 winters. Having seen those footages, whether you think Canada's winter is manageable or not, please leave your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to Pakistani Immigrant Family in Canada. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and have a nice day. Bye.
Read a footprint. My handprint. My what?
Zinia? 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 Wow. Oh.
Favorite season.
नहीं करो उसका ठंडा हाथ हो जाएगा।